Hello student, today we are doing a second chapter and the first exercise. This chapter is about the addition, subtraction and their compensation. So first of all we will start from the addition method. So what is the addition method in compensation? So in addition method, increase one number and decrease the other number by the same amount. If we are see here and see here the first question, 28 plus 86. So 28 plus 86. So first of all we will see the which number is nearest to the round of 10. Okay, it is easier 28 it is easier to make the second number into a multiple of 10. So 28 is easier to multiple of 10, so we will add plus 2. Okay, and the same number we will decrease from this number. So this is the addition method. Okay, so add plus 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 4 carry 1, add plus 2, 10, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and we will add 28 plus 2, here is 30, it is the round of 28, 30 is round of 28, and here is 86 minus 2, 84. Okay, and when we add these numbers, so we will write here 4 and add plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 114. So here is the same amount of, you can see here the same amount of numbers, you can 114 and 114. B is 39 plus 63. Here we will do the same method. 39 the nearest to the 10 number, so it is easier, so we will add plus 1 and the same number we will subtract from this number. Okay, so we will write here, first of all we will add these numbers. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2 carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 102. And when we will add this number 39 plus 1, 40, and 63 minus 1, here is we will write 62. Okay, and we add these numbers 2 and 6 plus 4, 102. This is the addition method. Second method is subtraction method. So in subtraction method, either increase both number or decrease the both numbers by the same amount. अगर दोनों जो हमारे digits हैं, जो हमारे दिए हुए numbers हैं, see here 38. Okay, so 56 and 38, जो both numbers will be decrease और increase. अगर हम दोनों में हम ऐड कर रहे हैं तो हम एक में ऐड कर रहे हैं तो दूसरे में भी हम ऐड करेंगे, और अगर हम दूसरे में सब्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो हम सब दूसरे में भी सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. 56 and 38. So which 10 number is nearest to the 10 numbers? Which number is 38? It is nearest to the 10 numbers. So we will subtract the 2. 38 plus 2, 40, and here we will add the same number. 56 plus 2, 58, and here we write 38 plus 2, 40. Okay, so this is the subtraction. We are doing a subtraction in compensation. So we will subtract these numbers. We will borrow 1. Here is 6 and here is 8. So 16 minus 8, 8, and here is the 4. So 4 minus 3, 1. And it is also, we will subtract these numbers, 8 and 5 minus 4, 118. Okay, so the same answer. Second question in subtraction, 80 minus 27. So 80 minus 27, we will do like same, we will do the same like this. Okay, so 80 and 27, 27 plus 3, 27 plus 3, 27, 28, 29 and 30. It is nearest to the tens, so we will write here 30, and here we will add the same number. 80 plus 3, 83. Okay, so we are doing a subtraction, so we will borrow 1 here, 10, and 10 minus 7 is here 3, and here is 7. Okay, so 7 minus 2, we will write here 3, 5, and here is also 3, and 8 minus 3, 5, so 53. Okay, so you can see here the same answer when we will add the same numbers and decrease the one number and the second number from the subtract. So this is the method of this exercise. Okay, it is easy if you will do the practice properly. Starting the second exercise, second B. In this chapter it is related to the profit, loss, cost price and selling price. So what is the profit? Profit is the amount gained after selling a product more than its cost price, that is called profit. Second is loss. What is the loss? The amount the seller gets after selling the product less than its cost price is mentioned as a loss. and the cost price is the amount paid for a product or a commodity to purchase it is called a cost price. Selling price is the amount for which the product is sold is called selling price. It is usually denoted by SP and CP, okay, loss and profit. Okay, these are the short forms and the terms of this language. Okay, so it is the selling price and the cost price and loss and profit. So now let's see the first question. So here is given a first question. Channapatna toys from Karnataka. Channapatna toys from Karnataka, and here is given a cost price and selling price. So cost price is 305 rupees and selling price is 340 rupees. So we will get a profit. So how we will find out the profit? We will subtract from the selling price. Okay, so cost price is 305 rupees. So 340 rupees is selling price and cost price is 305 rupees. Okay, so here is 0, so we will take 1. Okay, we will take the 1 borrow, and here is 10, and 10 minus 5 5, and here is 3, so we will write here 3. It is cancelled. Okay, so the 35 rupees is our profit. Okay, A. And B is Cormet from Kerala. Cormet from Kerala, here is given a price. Cost price is 270 rupees and selling price is 255 rupees. So we can see here the cost price is 275 and the selling price is 255 and cost price is 275. Okay, so here we can see cost price is more than the selling price. Okay, मीन्स हमने जो प्रोडक्ट तैयार किया है या जो प्रोडक्ट हमने होलसेल से लिया है, तो व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट 275 एंड द सेलिंग इज़ 255, यानी कॉस्ट प्राइस जो है इट इज़ द मोर देन सेलिंग प्राइस. ओके, सो वी विल डू द सब्सट्रैक्ट 275 फ्रॉम द 5 minus 5 0 and 7 minus 5 2 and 2 minus 2 0. So here is 20 rupees is the loss. Okay, see the second question. Second question is find cost, profit or loss in each of these. So here is given a cost price, selling price and we will find out the profit and loss. हमको selling price और cost price को देखना है and we will see properly which is the more than. Cost price is less and selling price is more. So we will greater than is 8,935. Okay, the cost price is less than selling price. So we will write here the cost price in SP is more than cost price. Okay, so we will write here and subtract these numbers, this price. Okay, and write here. Now all the questions we will do like this. Okay, third question is first find the final cost of each item. Yes, so here is given a final cost of each item. So how we will final cost to find out? Here is given a cost price plus overhead. Okay, we will find out कैसे हमें फाइंड करना है. हेयर इज गिवन अ कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड ओवरहेड. ओवरहेड क्यों, व्हाट इज़ द ओवरहेड? ओवरहेड वो होता है जो भी हमारी कॉस्ट प्राइस के अंदर जो हम एक्स्ट्रा पैकेजिंग एंड पोस्टल चार्जेस जो भी हमारे प्रोडक्ट पे लगते हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ओवरहेड. सो वी विल ऐड द cost price and the overhead. Okay, we will add here and write. Okay, and selling price is already given here 1235. So we will subtract from the final cost. Okay, तो हम हमारे प्रॉफिट और लॉस अमाउंट को निकालने के लिए फाइनल कॉस्ट में से सेलिंग प्राइस को माइनस कर देंगे एंड देन वी विल गेट द अमाउंट. ओके, वी विल डू लाइक दिस ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. नेक्स्ट इज फोर्थ ए. A collector buys a painting for 3,500 but sells it for 2,750 rupees and find the gain or loss. A collector buy a painting. कलेक्टर ने कितने में पेंटिंग बाई करी? 3,500 एंड इट सेल इट फॉर 2,750 रुपीज़. तो फाइंड द गेन और लॉस. हमें इसमें फाइंड करना है या हमें लॉस हुआ है या गेन हुआ है. सो अ कलेक्टर buys a painting ₹3,500 and sell it ₹2,750. Okay, so find the loss or profit. So we'll subtract this 0 and we will take the 1. Here is 10, 10 minus 5, 5. Here is 4. Okay, we will take the 1. Here is the 14, 14 minus 7, 7. And here is 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So this is our answer. 750 rupees is our profit. Okay. B is a second hand furniture dealer buys a used table for ₹3,250. एक सेकेंड हैंड फर्नीचर डीलर है, उसने एक टेबल बाय करी है एंड व्हाट इज़ द प्राइस ऑफ दिस टेबल? ₹3,250 एंड ही स्पेंड ₹500 ऑन पॉलिशिंग एंड रिपेयरिंग, और उसने ₹500 उसकी पॉलिशिंग एंड रिपेयरिंग के अंदर इन्वेस्ट किए. ही इफ़ ही सेल्स इट एट 4,000, सो व्हाट इज़ हिज प्रॉफिट? सो वी कैन राइट हियर furniture dealer buy table how much money? ₹3,250 and he spent on it ₹500. 0, 5, 5 plus 2, 7 and 3,700 the cost price. It is a cost price ₹3,250 and he sell out ₹4,000. How much money? 4,000. Sells it ₹4,000. Okay, so we will subtract the cost price from the selling price, ₹3,750. So 0, we will borrow 1, 10 minus 5, 5, here is 9, 7, 8, 9, 2 and here is 3, 0. So here is, we will get a ₹250 profit. Okay, this is our answer. I think this exercise is clear, and if you have any problem you can ask me, and thank you so much.